Good day. Now I will show you the program that I created using Visual Basic Studio. Uh, my program is titled Cinema Booking System. So it's all about the mm, booking system for cinema. For example, there are three options here: the customer, cashier, and manager. So the customer will be booking, the cashier will responsible for payment, and the manager is responsible for editing and managing all here. So first, let's explore this. So now let's run it. So here. So here, as you can see, we have the customer, cashier, and manager. So when we click the customer, we can see here there's a username, password, also security features with the show hide. But first, let's create an account first. So create an account. So there's a username, name, username, password, confirm password, and create an account. There's also security features here. So first, let's see, username. Then in username, I will just use, although you can use full name, but yeah. Mm, then password, no, just like that. Yeah. So let's create an account. So we create an account. So now let's log in it. So first I will show you the security features. Here's where when it is lowercase, it will not go. It says invalid password. So if it we try also, it will count the attempt. So we have to attempt. So when it become 4 attempts, it will lock automatically. So the program will lock for 30 seconds. So let's try. Let's log in. So here in login, um, we can see there's a booking here, quantity, and uh, so first let's demonstrate. So let's book a movie. So for example, Damsel. So when you book a movie, um, ah, okay, let's edit it in manager. Uh, when we are in manager, mamaya. So let's quantity. So it will show here the quantity and let's book. So it is booked already. And again, us, then 4. Book again, then Joker. Huh. So let's try it. So also there's features here where we can the customer can cancel their booking. So for example here, okay, let's cancel. Yeah, now it cancel. Also there's a refresh button here, so when we book we can refresh it all time. So also we have an account here. So in the account we can change password. So for example, our password is what again, AB 4411. Then let's try a new password, AB 23. So let's see. So our password updated successfully. So let's try to log in it. So let's log out. Then customer. The AB 11. Then let's try our old password. What's our old password? AB 411. Then it says invalid password. So let's try our new password. So login successfully. So that's the customer form. So now we will go to um, cashier form. So let's log out. Let's go to cashier. So here in cashier form, we have also the username, password. However, we have no create an account here. There's also security features here. Because in system like this, the manager will be responsible for creating an account for employee. So the employee cannot create their account, only the manager because they are employee. So okay, let's log in. So by the way, you can use other username here, but I use username my sister's name. So first, okay. One, two, three. So let's try. Okay. Yeah, that's so now. Uh, Here in cashier form, there are paid button, print receipt, refresh, and cancel. Also, we we can book here. So for this booking here is for walk-in customer. So for example, um, the customer book for walk-in, then it will go here. Uh, the customer that book in the customer form, it will directly here, and the cashier will click the paid, and the customer now, if there's a walk-in, we can book here. So for example, there's a customer that walk in, so let's book. Then let's say his his name is Ash. Then let's say he booked 3, so it will go here, then book. So for here, now let's demonstrate this. So for example, Ash book, then we can clear paid it. So it means she paid it successfully, and she can now go enter to the cinema. So when we paid, it will directly delete here, and also we can print receipt. So here, and also we have the refresh and cancel button. Also we can search name. Ah, just like that. Um, Search name. So here, and also number, for example, just like that. Also, we can cancel booking here if customers suddenly change their mind. So for example, this it's canceled it booking, cancel. So it cancel its booking. So now let's go to refresh account. So there's also a security feature here where is the account. So in old password we can put for example, what's yeah, here's our old password and new password. Let's try it. So okay, let's log out and try it again. So we log in successfully, meaning we successfully created the we successfully changed the password. So let's log out. So here now we will go to manager form. So here in manager form, it is also same with other form. However, in manager form, it is responsible for editing. So here, let's log in. Okay, just like that. Then now we have here the user, movie ticket, login history, logout, and account. So here, first the account is just same as to we're not explore this. Because you already see it twice. Then let's focus on this user. So here in user, for example, let's add another user. So for example, I will add Trinda. Then then her username is TRA. Then we can also, if cashier, we can create password. Also if customers, but it will not show here because the password is hidden because manager can see password. So for the role, let's say he is cashier. So now this is what I say earlier, that the manager will responsible for creating the account of cashier. So let's try yeah. 1 2 3. So let's add it. So it will add successfully. Yeah, it here. Now we can also update here. So for example, then it change. It will update. Can also update her position like customer. Yeah, just like that. So we also have the clear button here, and also the delete button. For example, here we will delete this account. So now it will gone and delete the account. So now we will proceed to the movie. So here in the movie, we can add the movie and genre, showtime price, and seats. So first, let's try to add movie. Um, okay. So here, okay. Let's edit the movie that we made earlier. So here, let's say Joker. Then update. Then the damsel, let's say us. Then update. And okay, we forget the damsel. So damsel. So we can also add movies here. So here, let's add movies. For example, Batman and crime. See, it says a 56. Then price, let's say 230, and time is 1:30. So let's add. So it will add here. So also we can delete this and update. So let's delete. So just like here. Also we have the feature here where since this is a cinema, we need to change the photo. So we need to change the photo every new release of movie. So it can it can change it can be updated. For example, let's pick an image, and for example here, then let's say it's in a poster one. So let's change. So okay, so let's change another one. For example, wait, this. It says it's in a poster 3, so let's change. So let's change also in poster 2. Um, okay, let's put it on poster 2. No. Mm, this. Let's put it in poster 2 and change. So it will update successfully. Later we will check it if it is successfully updated. But first, let's move to ticket. So here in tickets, it's just like a summary of the booking who book our tickets. So here you can see what movie is highest and total sales and total tickets. We can also search here just like that and refresh. So by the way, this total sales is only for the paid by cashier. it will not count the it will not count the booking by the customer, but the total paid of cashiers. And here's total ticket. uh, it will only the paid by cashier. So in the booking, it is not hindi siya kasama kumbaga. So okay, so let's go to login history. So here in login history, we can see all the logins. So we can't see their name but their username only. So this is a username. I just use full name before as my username, but also when you see here, there's a username and the name is different. So here is a username, also their ID, so the role, login time, and logout time. So here, as you can see, their logout time is not seen. It is because they did not log out, just like that. So when we log out, it's only then you can see here what time they log out. So then let's log out. Then here, as you can see, the movies change. And let's see in the cashier. So here, I no, it's not in cashier either. It's in cost. Let's see in the customer. Okay, let's see in customer. Then Abby for one, no? I forget. I forgot. Okay. Let's this and then wait. Oh my god, I forgot our password. Hmm. Okay, let's check it our in our in our Visual Studio Access. So here, okay. So let's try it. Forgot it. Another one. Then let's create an account. So here, it's changed the movie. So that's all my program. So let's log out, then let's exit this. Yeah. Now here is our database code. So here we can show our login and login history and movies, poster image, sales, and our ticket. So here in poster image, let's put it in datasheet view. No, design view. Also this login design view, login and movies design view. So just like that. Hmm. Also, let me show you my code. So here is my code. Mm, also the other form. So that's all, and thank you.